Here's the spring shamrock, and I've got my square of marbled jade paper. Binder clip, you could also use a paper clip. You'll see how we use that in a minute. I have a bone folder that's optional, and my template. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my square in half, point to point, in half again, point to point, and then one more time, point to point. Oh, and I forgot, I have scissors also, and I recommend using a large pair of scissors. Okay, so now you want to take note. There's one edge that's folded just once. That has that final fold. This edge has 3. So on that edge, you want to take your template that you've cut out, obviously, and you've cut out all the little solid shapes that were in there. And you're going to place the side. You see how there's 1 cut out on the left here, 2 on the right. You can put this side with the 2 against that single fold, okay? And that will make it look like mine. If you did it the other way, it would just look different. And so I'm going to scooch that down and clip that all together just below here, because I'm going to cut this first. And now I'm cutting through several layers. That's why I like to have a big pair of scissors. You have more torque. So I'm going to cut that outer shape. Now I'm going to move that clip up here because I'm done cutting there. And I'll cut these inner shapes. And now this is similar to cutting a paper snowflake. So you could make more of these and change these little patterns and play around with how you do these cutouts to get different shapes. I designed this one to end up with heart shapes inside of the shamrock. Okay, so sometimes I'm going to leave that and I'll get it after I've taken this all apart. So many layers, it's hard to get in. I'll do this one. I'll actually go back and do those parts afterwards. Okay, and then this little guy here, go up. And just take your time, you are cutting lots of layers. Okay, now I'll unclip that, and before I unfold it I want to make sure I get these pieces out. There we go. And so I'll just carefully unfold. And there's my spring shamrock. You can go in and clean up anything with an X-Acto knife or scissors if you'd like.